What our lemon law attorney can do for you. If you purchased a vehicle covered by a manufacturer's warranty and that vehicle has a problem or defect that persists after taking it to the dealer to repair, then you may have a valid lemon claim. Our lemon law attorney will file a claim against your manufacturer and dealer to get you out of your contract and to get your money back. If you have already attempted to resolve your issue with the dealer who sold you the car but are not getting anywhere, we are here to speed things up and make the dealer take your issue seriously. Our attorneys will evaluate your case and your documents and then compile all your issues into a demand letter and complaint to file with the court. We will move forward against the dealer and manufacturer, and we will work to have them refund your payments, take back the vehicle, and tear up the contract. A result that we call a buyback. In some cases, we work to get you paid to keep your car, something we call cash and keep. If you have a lemon and you're ready to contact an attorney, the good news is that consumers are protected by law and our lawyers are here to help. Our lemon law attorneys give free legal advice and can usually tell you if you have a case in less than 10 minutes. Call or text us to find out if you have a valid lemon claim today.